Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm really excited because I actually just discovered something in the latest iPadOS beta. And I looked on Twitter, seems like no one else has caught up on it yet, which is why I hope to be one of the first people to inform you about this topic. In the latest iPadOS beta, the iPadOS 14.5 public beta 7, which is 5.4 gigabytes, it's huge, but it comes with a bunch of new updates, a bunch of new changes. However, the most important part is that it comes with this new app hidden in the utilities folder. Which means you have to find it. I don't know why it's there. Probably because it's really buggy. It actually is. I've crashed in the app like 3 times already, and I've only been using it for 20 minutes. Basically, it's called Apple Stream with the Apple logo, not the name. It seems like it's a competitor to YouTube or Twitch, which is amazing because, I make YouTube videos, and if this really works, I might have to ditch YouTube and start making Apple Stream videos. I'm an Apple streamer. So basically, in YouTube, you just make an account, you can watch videos, and you can post videos. That's exactly how they're doing, except instead of red and white or red and black, like the theme of YouTube, it's actually white, blue, and yellow. Or if you're in dark mode, it's black, blue, and yellow, which is a lot more pleasing in my opinion. So Apple Stream, I can't actually show you the screenshots because I don't know why. Apple in their latest beta has, I don't know if they've disabled screenshots or if they're just not working, because every single time I take a screenshot, my phone just freezes and I have to restart the phone. It's crazy. I can't show you a screenshot, but on the iPad, the iPad, not the phone, it's so good. Basically, when you go in, it prompts you and you're supposed to make an account like I did on my iPad. And after that, it just scans your face if you have Face ID or Touch ID, and then it makes you an account. You can start uploading videos there. It's so simple, really. It's so much easier than YouTube. And also, you can immediately put ads on it, which I did not do because I'm a nice person. So, yeah. Apple Stream, I know, like the name, it sounds very generic. Apple Stream, like, really? But this is really long awaited. People speculated that this might be something that Apple was doing when they released Apple TV Plus, but it's really not. And seeing another YouTube competitor, to me, is crazy. Basically, you can live stream, you can upload videos, and no, you cannot upload shorts, like YouTube Shorts or like TikTok videos. You can't do that because, no one likes TikTok. It looks like the Apple logo with the play button. It's really generic, but hey, Apple Stream. Also, this is not finalized, by the way. Maybe Apple will even remove this in a later beta. But at least in beta 7, it seems like it's here to stay. And aside from just me crashing all the time in the app, it's pretty good. It's pretty usable. I've uploaded a few past videos like that I've uploaded to YouTube on there. And you can find me at the Solid State. So if you want to get it, or if you have the new beta, then you can definitely find my channel there just by searching at Solid State, and you can subscribe. You can stream all my videos there in Apple Stream, and just the whole thing. It's so intuitive, and in my opinion, it's 10 times better than YouTube. So if you have an Apple device, I'm sure in just a few weeks, you will be able to get this app publicly. And if you do, check me out. I'm one of the earliest Apple streamers on the platform, and just watch my videos there or support other content creators. And that's it for this video. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on Apple Stream. I'm sorry I can't show you any contents or any media here, but you guys really have to see for yourself. It's phenomenal. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and happy April Fools. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.